Hi, I'm Pearl Dexter. I'm here today to show you how to brew the proper pot of green tea. I've chosen a Longqing from China and I've heated up my teapot. I'm now going to pour the dried leaf that I measured into the pot because that's so important to measure your tea. I personally like my tea a little bit on the weaker side, so I don't put the recommended amount of tea for each pot as most companies suggest. And I'm using this wonderful, wonderful hot water heater, and it has the temperature setting so I can then dispense of the tea, the hot water, into this teapot. And then we are going to see what a dear friend of mine from San Francisco calls the ballet of the leaf. And so you can see the ballet of the leaf happening here. And in most instances, the tea, when it is fully brewed, will fall to the bottom. And this wonderful Longqing, it's a flat leaf when it's dry, and when it opens up, it's a very soft, soft tea leaf. You can actually eat it. I am going to decant it. You can brew this green tea up to 3 minutes, but I like to actually have my green tea brewed at about 1.5 to 2 minutes. So even before the ballet has ended, I am going to decant my green tea in just a few seconds, and you will see the beautiful, beautiful, delicate green color that pours out of this spout. And when you taste it, it has a nice sweet taste to it, a vegetative green taste, but a nice sweet taste. If the water is not too hot. If you brew this kind of tea, this green tea, when the water is too hot, it will actually scald the leaves and it will give the green tea kind of a bitter taste, which no tea should ever taste bitter in my opinion. I've chosen a small teapot. I don't want to overflow it. I brewed a lot more tea than I thought I would. So as I said earlier, you can actually eat this tea leaf, and it has the 2 leaves in a bud right here. I'm going to taste it. It's delicious. And now that I have decanted the tea, you'll see it's almost like a very pale yellow, almost the color of what champagne or some of my Pinot Grigios look like. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, cheers!